Hi guys, this video is going to be quick because today is time to announce the giveaway winner. Thank you so much for everybody that participated. I really like that you really reach out and participated, and today is time. It's time for us to go in and let the computer, let the system, this program select the winner for us, and that's what we're gonna get started. Getting is a 3502 Second Nature palette. I really love this palette, and you saw that on the other video you was able to see the makeup look. I really love the warm tones on that palette. And you're also going to be getting the Kat Von D lipstick in the shade K Dub, which is this nice purple shade. And also let me know once that I send you the email. You have 2 weeks to notify me, to give me your information, your address. That way I could ship this as soon as possible, as soon as you give me your information. After 2 weeks, if the winner doesn't contact me, doesn't reach out, doesn't give me the information, then I will do another video and let you know the second winner. So hopefully the one that does win, let me know real quick, that way you don't miss out. So thank you so much for watching this video, for participating on my giveaway. And now let's get to the video so that way you see who is the winner. Congratulations to you. And until the next video, bye.